Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. Now let's go to this box here and let's say a person wants to check for this person here, and that is Jace Wolf. Enter. It is giving me error because I mistyped the spellings are wrong. To overcome this problem, we'll use data validation here. Data validation is what? We go for data and data validation list, and source will be this. Okay. Now you can select name from a list, and if you try to name this in wrong spelling, then it will give you an error. So we can retry and say the correct spelling and press enter. So it will be like this. This is data validation, which is used to specify a certain list, a certain format for any box. For example, if you want to use date, time, or text length or anything, then if someone tries to enter something else, then it will give an error. This is how we make our file foolproof, so there is no chance of error. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.